Today's video is
mixing all our slimes up.
woohoo! Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
So as you can see, guys, we have so much slimes here from previous videos. Guys, comment down below if you recognize any of these slimes, especially the one in Zidane's hand. That was very recent. And Heidi's hand. And we have some slime here in the back. So basically what we're gonna do, we're gonna mix everything up.
Good slime or rotten slime like this one?
This one's rotten. This is just old and you didn't put a lid on, so it got dried. So we're gonna still mix it. Okay, so guys, comment down below the giant slime, what color would it be? Do you think it's gonna end up being green?
I think it's gray.
Okay, and Zidane thinks it's
brown and black.
Brown or black, and how do you think it's gonna be gray? I think it's gonna be green. Okay, so I would like to mention a big thanks to everyone that put their name down in the comments for a shout out. We love you guys. Thank you so much. We're gonna take a minute and shout 5 names in the beginning of the video, like right now, and we're gonna shout 5 names at the end of the video. So stay tuned, guys. Okay, so Zidane, start your first name.
Shout outs to Lear. Shout outs to what's up? Shout outs to Bethany. Shout outs to Pavana. Shout outs to Ilani.
Awesome job, guys. So thank you so much for everyone that commented. If you would like a shout out on the next video, don't forget to comment down below. Let's get the video started.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, Heidi and Zidane, are you ready?
Yeah. 3, 2, 1.
Oh my!
Oh my.
Nice. Good
Oh my
job.
god, this is so heavy.
Okay, Zidane, help her out.
Look, they're fighting. Da da da.
Okay, look, this is like
This
ice
is really
snow.
pretty. Yeah?
So pretty. And look at the
But
green.
It feels really sticky.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Next.
Go, guys, next.
Get these.
Okay, that won't come down.
Stop coming.
So last time you did that. Oh, nice! So this is that last time you did this, what happened? It's gonna drip all on your head, and that's not gonna be fun. With your hand. Oh! Look at this!
It's like a boat on the sea.
Yeah!
Hey,
Look at this!
you.
Okay, guys, no touching yet. We're gonna mix everything first, and then you guys could touch it, okay?
Look, it's a boat. Oh no, it's like a scrub.
Yeah. Okay, let's move to the next slime. Okay, go, guys.
Okay. Whoa, look at this one. It's so glittery. Look at
Ooh, this is so pretty, Heidi. Oh, look at this one.
I'm gonna try to make a bubble.
Okay, we're gonna make a bubble with the big one. Turn it, turn it. Okay, Zidane. Keep going.
Doesn't even fit. Okay.
Keep going, guys.
This one is the best. This one is. This is what I made.
Look, it's matching your clothes,
Oh
your t-shirt.
yeah. This one is the best. Oh my god. I don't want to say goodbye. No, this was so good. One more touch. I don't want to say goodbye to my.
Okay, look at all the slimes.
This
Almost getting a rainbow color.
This was my favorite.
Okay.
Oh my god. It's so nice.
Okay, keep going. Look at the gold one. This is so pretty.
This is so sticky. No, this is what I made yesterday.
Yeah, you actually did.
Yesterday. Like a long time.
Okay. Look at the slime pool, guys. This is like slime mixed all together. Oh, I love the red color.
Yeah. Oh my god. This
Guys, let me know which color you like the most. We have like a rainbow slime pool right there. This is so cool.
This is like a scrub.
Yeah. Okay, guys, keep at it. Ooh, look at this one.
I made this.
Wow, you did make
Oh
this.
my god, that's
I remember.
Galaxy.
Yes, this is so pretty. Okay, Zidane.
It's fluffy slime. Oh my god, I don't want to say goodbye. my last handprint.
Okay, like that's a smoothie slime right there.
Oh my gosh, look.
Oh, look at this.
Oh my god.
Look at this. One of my favorite is this one right here.
Yeah.
Oh, come on, Heidi, add the mint green. Oh, I wonder what color is gonna be at the end. Guys, let me know, what do you think?
It's gonna be brown or black. Because orange is better than the one that. No, actually, they're both the same.
Yeah.
No, say goodbye. No.
This is so pretty.
Yeah, it really is. I have to do soapy on it.
Okay.
Clear.
So pretty. Look at this, guys.
I don't really care about
This is like a slime smoothie.
Oh my
or
god,
a
this is my favorite.
pool.
No, I can't say goodbye.
Ah,
This is my favorite. I can't say goodbye. Oh man, bye-bye. Oh my god.
you wanna keep it?
Can I keep a piece of it?
Oh, sure.
Can I keep a piece of mine?
Yeah, sure.
And then.
Okay. Look at this. Oh, Heidi, this is so pretty.
I know, right?
I love it. Okay, guys, are we done?
Yeah.
Okay, there's one more.
Oh,
One
yeah.
more. Go, Heidi.
At least I'm gonna keep some of you.
Okay.
Side. That's fine. I don't need to keep.
Wow, this is so pretty. Okay, so are you guys ready to mix?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, guys, mix. Look at this slime smoothie. Oh my.
It's becoming green. Yep.
I said it's gonna become green. So let's see if I got it right.
Oh my god, I got my favorite out. I'm keeping some of this.
Okay. Mix.
Oh.
Whoa, look at this color, guys. This is so pretty.
Green. Looks like jelly.
Yeah, it's like the green.
Okay, we're gonna fix.
Oh, it smells so good. I think it smells like dish soap.
Oh yeah. Since we added this soap slime.
We did. Okay, guys, mix.
Rainbow and green.
Woohoo! Keep mixing. Woohoo! Mix. You guys are doing awesome job.
Okay.
You guys want to take it out?
Yeah.
Oh my! You want to see how big is?
Jelly at the bottom.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Go.
This is so heavy. Okay.
3, 2. Okay. 1, 2. Okay.
This is so heavy, guys. I'll help you.
1, 2.
What? Oh my god! This is so big! Oh my, good job, guys! Come on! Get it all done. I'll help you. Okay, I'll help. Okay.
Whoa.
Okay.
Okay, so
Take the container off.
Okay, yeah, take it off. Oh no, it's stuck.
Okay.
Oh my
Okay.
god.
Take it off.
Oh my, this
Wait.
is world record, biggest slime in the world.
Wait. Wow, this is so crazy! Look at this, guys! I think the purple is...
Oh my god, it's not popping.
Look at the bubble. Oh my... Okay. Go, Heidi.
So then I'm gonna make a bubble.
Okay, make a bubble. Come on.
I just
Okay.
made a bubble.
Okay, Heidi, make a bubble.
Oh my god, it's too rippy. Stop ripping for me.
So it's most of it, it's purple. So whoever guessed the color is gonna be purple.
They won.
You guys did awesome. Give yourself a big thumbs up because most of it, it's purple.
I got one. Bubble.
Like there's different colors in it, but...
Oh my god.
Okay, you know what? Switch, Heidi. Switch with Zidane. I think Zidane get the soft side.
Yeah. No, I didn't.
No? Okay. What? No! Okay. That's fine. Come on. 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
Okay.
That's just the warm up.
Okay.
Yeah, the downside's way soft.
Softer?
No, it's not. Yeah, it is.
Okay guys, comment down below and let me know what do you think about this awesome huge slime. Okay, so we came to the end of the video. It's time for 5 more shout outs. And first shout out go to
Ayon! Second shout out goes to Marianne! And Arzu and Yvonne! And shout out to Misha!
awesome guys. Thank you so much for everyone that commenting. We love you all. And I hope you did enjoy this video. We came to the end of the video. It's time to say
Bye guys! I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to put this video big.
thumbs up.
Like, share, subscribe.